Sell the Trend Dropshipping. How to use Sell the Trend. So hello everyone. So in today's video, I'll show you guys on how to use Sell the Trend for dropshipping. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we need to do is to make an account. So in making an account, what you want to do is just go to sellthetrend.com, and then from here you can start off by using your free trial. So just click on start free trial now right here, and then there you go. So it will ask you if you want to sign up with Google, Facebook, or just basically your email. So feel free to choose which one you like. So for me, I will just sign up with my email. And then once you're done, you'll be redirected here in the homepage of Sell the Trend. So what we can do in Sell the Trend is to connect our store. So to connect your store, like for example Shopify, what you want to do is just click on Connect Store right here, and that will ask you if you want to create, and then it will ask you what platform you want to use. So you can either create a shop directly here in Sell the Trend, or you can also use Shopify or WooCommerce. So for me, I will try using my Shopify account. So I'll just open up Shopify. So I've already have Shopify opened, and then I'll go back right here in Connect Store, and then I'll choose the Shopify option right here, and then just click on Install from App Store, and then just click on Install, and then it will start installing an app in your Shopify account. And then before installing the app, the Sell the Trend app in the Shopify store will ask you that it needs access to some data. So it will access your personal data and your store data. So once you're okay sharing those data, just click on install, and then there you go. So as you can see, your Shopify store is connected. And then what we can do now is to start adding products to our store. So just click on that, and then it will redirect us here in this product page. So this product page right here are their most popular products on store. So as you can see over here, there are a lot of different products that you can choose and adding them to your store in Shopify. So before we start choosing our product, I will talk to you guys about the different kinds of filters that you can choose so that you can filter out the product that you want depending on your niche. So when I go to the nexus right here, as you can see, I can filter out products that are hot, trending, that are on the rise, that are new, and all of the products. So for me, the best filter for me is either choosing trending or on the rise or hot products, because these are usually the products that sell the most. Then you can also filter products that are popular in marketplaces. So when you go to marketplaces right here, I can filter out products that are popular in AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, and Amazon. So let us start now by choosing our product. So what we can do right here is to filter out our niche. So when I go to categories and niches right here, I'll be able to filter out what kind of niche that I want for my products. So there are a lot of categories right here that you could choose. So just choose the one that fits best in your store. So let's say my niche or category is revolved around like consumer electronics and accessories. So I'll just click on that, and then it will start filtering out the products. And then when I go to more filters right here, I'll be able to filter out additional details when it comes to my categories. So I can filter out the price, the store selling, the orders, and the product cost. I can also like filter out the product type, the found date, the last added date, and a lot more. So feel free to use these filter options. And then from here, we can also sort the product or the category that we chose. So when I go to sort by right here, I can sort it by the highest rank, the lowest rank, the most stores, the least stores, the most orders, the least orders, and a lot more. So for me, I'll just leave it at highest rank, and then let us start choosing our product. So for example, I want to choose this drone right here, the professional drone E88. So what I want to do is just click on this product right here, and then after that, we will get to see the details of this product. So we will get to see the orders, the product cost, the selling price, and the profit margin. We will also get to see the total sales, the number of suppliers, the number of stores that are selling this product, and the rating of this product. And then as we scroll down, we will get to see ads related to this product. We can also find this product on Amazon, find it on YouTube, or we can also create a video if we want to. And then as I scroll down even more, I will get to see how trending it is on this chart right here. So as you can see, around May, the product really spiked when it comes to this chart right here. And then when they move over to the right side, we will also get to see its order statistics. And then as we scroll more down, we will get to see the product insights, a competition meter. So you can see this product right here has low competition. And then as we scroll down even more, we will get to see the stores that are selling this product, so we can see their ads. We can also get to see the products of the suppliers. And then as we scroll down, we can also use this tool right here, which is Facebook targeting. So we can use this in creating our Facebook ads. So yeah, so let's say I want to sell this product on my store. So what I want to do is just click on add to store right here, and then let's just wait for that to load. And then there you go. So from here, it will ask you to choose your product details source. So it says right here to click on any of the stores below to load product details. So feel free to choose what kind of store you want right here, or website, and where you want to load your product details. So for me, I just use this one right here. So when you click on another one, as you can see, the images right here will start to change. So for me, I'll just use this site right here, the yesvibe.com. And then as we scroll down, as you can see, the website already filled in the details for us. So already added the title, the tags, the descriptions, and then the selling price. And then from here, we can also choose our images if you want. And then as we scroll down even more, we can also change our supplier from here. So this one right here is the recommended supplier that Sell The Trend recommends us. So usually Sell The Trend recommends like the lowest pricing supplier. So this is the one. But if you want to choose another supplier, just click on custom source right here. And then from there, you can change your supplier, or you can just use their AI supplier finder. And then from here, let's say I just want to choose some images that I want to include for my product. So let's say I just want to include them all. And then once you're done filling out the details required, what we can do now is to push it to the store. So just click on push to store right there. And as you can see, it says right here at the bottom, importing products. So it'll be available in my store in just a few minutes. So let's just wait for this to load. And then after that, what you want to do is just click on push to store, and then there you go. It says importing product. It will be available in my products in a bit. So let's just wait for this to load. There you go. It's done loading. So once the product is now done pushing to store, when I go check on my Shopify and then just go to products, as you can see, my product is already here. So the product I chose from Sell The Trend is already here in my Shopify store. So as you can see, when I click on it, I get to see the details of my product, the name of my product, the pictures of my product, and a lot more. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to use Sell The Trend.